Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to create Crunchyroll account. So let's start. I'm here on crunchyroll.com, and as you can see, well, I have the principal page. Now if I want to create a new account, let's go to the top right corner there, and there is the symbol from a user. Just click here and just click here on create an account. Then you will transfer to this. You have to write your password or your email address, sorry, and you will write it, and then you will write your password, new password, something like that, so you can write it. And then just write and click on create account, and then you have to create your account on Crunchyroll. As you can see, we can save the password, and now I have the account already done. Well guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.